That's my play today, guys, with Under Armour, who's had plenty of sales, but unfortunately, I think they might have had a couple too many sales. So let's take a look at Under Armour. You can see shares down about 8%, and that's really one of their worst days in a while here. And the company reported third quarter earnings that beat the street. But what happened is really on the call. So the stock was up before the call, up almost 7% this morning. Then the call happens, and the CFO said earlier on the call that basically what happened here is that promotions are going to extend longer than they anticipated. So promotions are going to go further than they initially thought. They're going to go almost to the end of the year. And they highlighted that the consumer, they think, is weaker than people thought retail-wide. So across the sector. Again, we were just talking about Capri. We saw it in Under Armour. I think we're seeing it play out, but it's interesting to start hearing that commentary now, too.
I think it's an Under Armour problem, and it's Stephanie Linertz's problem now. Their new CEO comes aboard after 25 years at Marriott, and she's got a lot of problems to solve there at Under Armour. And Kevin Plank, the founder, saying on the call, we look forward to her prioritizing top and bottom line growth for Under Armour. Stephanie Linertz has her hands full. They're going to open a pop-up Tuesday in Manhattan, something called Slip Speed, a new shoe that actually converts into a slide from a training shoe. Big bet, one she didn't make.
Yeah, I'd be interested to try those on, Dave. I don't know how
I'm not sold on that.
Out. Yeah.
I'm not sold. I just think Under Armour, if you take a step back, they've lost their cool factor. Not nearly as many people are wearing them as opposed to what, 10, 15 years ago. They need to be a little bit more innovative with their products, I think, to really kind of boost their business and better
Nike
compete
took
with
it,
Nike.
man.
Exactly.
What happened to the Under Armour brand that used to be the turtleneck, right?
Yeah.
That was called an Under Armour.
Yeah.
To stay warm. And now you have a Nike one, and you don't even wear the Under Armour one with that little
I
turtleneck.
still wear
right?
mine
You
when I
guys
run
still
outside.
forgot
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah.
They keep
Mock
it nice
neck,
and warm.
actually, I believe.
Right.
Not the full turtle.
You won't see any of those on Sunday at the Super Bowl, Dave.
No, you will not, my friend.